Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this AI camera, and yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, let me just open the account. Okay, in the box comes this cable that I think you can charge the camera with, and let's see what's inside this. Okay, this actually looks pretty solid for videos, so yep. And yeah, that's it. Let's try it out now. Let's go outside and try it out. Okay, I think this is how you open the stand. Okay, yeah, this is how you open the stand. That's pretty cool. Sorry. Cut. Okay guys, this has face tracking with it. It's one of the features, so yeah, it can track my face when it is completely charged. So yeah,
Also rotates when you rotate. Can you show me?
face tracking, yeah. Okay, yeah. Bye. Meet you in the next video, guys, and please subscribe and like the video, and press a bell icon for more amazing videos.